Hey, what's up everyone? How-to videos back. Another informative how-to. Trying to keep this short and quick. Don't want to draw this out at all. It's pretty simple install. It's from this Closet Made white shelf, model 1031, 3 feet. About $15 Home Depot. Great for adding storage in your garage. Hence what I did here. I'm going to kind of cheat along, follow these same these positions in the wall, and make this nice and at least accessible. You can kind of layer these and probably putting another one directly beneath this, so I can have additional shelving. That'll be a future project, but for now, this one's going right here. So first of all, give you a quick, at least run through of what I have for the project. I've got the shelf itself. I've got a level. I'm gonna make sure this thing is level. Don't wanna make that rookie mistake, and the shelf looks like shit. So, anyways, I've got a stud finder. So what I have here, zircon, whatever. You've got, okay, so this is a Ryobi, whatever you want to call it, like a drill set. You need the 1/4 inch. I think it's the 3/8. 1/4 inch. I was right on my first guess. So you need a 1/4 inch to drill these holes for these pieces. So how this is going to work is we're going to do the top first. The stud is about, I think, somewhere over here-ish. I'm going to mark it with the stud finder. Drill the hole, put this sucker in, as you see here, and then we'll put the nail in when we're finished. Then we'll hang the shelf and just, kind of let it sit there. Obviously, we need to put some support for the bottom, but these are the hardest ones first. It's not fun to work on the top of it and then try and go back in the bottom. So then, you see the way I mounted these, very simple. So we'll kind of see how this goes. Anyways, let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna take this level. I have a pencil here. Forgot to mention that. You want a 12-volt lithium-ion drill, something lightweight. You don't need too much power to get through a stud in your wall. But anyways, so let's find some studs. It's right here. Look at that. Boom. All right, so all right. Looks like there's a stud right here. Let's do that. One right here. Looks like we need one down here-ish. Perfect. So that's one. In this kit in total, I think we have one, put 3, 4. I mean, I'll put a third one in, so remove this for now. Don't need you. Let's move this as well. Alright, let's find another stud. The next one's right here. Yup. So it looks like I need to put one in the middle somewhere. You can just kind of pick an arbitrary spot. It doesn't matter. I'd say halfway between the two, so it's balanced out, but you just need some coverage. And the next one is going to be down here. So this is pretty evident. Obviously the prior owner put some shelf in years ago. It's held up for the most part. And that's that. So let's do this. Alright. Looks like we're pretty set so far. Now, makes it easy to have the other shelf. Let's make it level. And let's move this away. Some air tools. Let's make sure it's resting. Alright, so if this is level, this stud where I have right here is going to have to be closer to here-ish. Not even low. So then it would sit here. So probably about somewhere over here. That seems to be about even. If it's going to sit like that, and I can position it in my mind to say, okay, if the shelf is sitting like this, boom. Might even need to go lower. That's alright. Alright, so we're good as is then. Alright. So that's going to be the hardest one. Once we get that one in, we can then kind of use the same leveling feature and just go boom, straight across. So let's do this. Alright. Let's get that drill out. Get this thing out of my way. I think it's kind of annoying. I think it's like a window washer. whatever the hell it is. Go over there for now. Okay, that's step 1. Step 2, see if it fits. Alright, step 2, we're going to take a hammer. And this right about up there. Ready, set, go. This one's gonna go in very easily. Very, very easily. There was the hammer. Alright. Rock and roll. Get the next nail. Goes straight into the drywall, so very easy. Easy goes. Alright, next one. Let's measure this sucker out. I just want to get level. Straight across. Hey look, it's pretty level so far. I'm happy with that. Alright. Next one. That's going to be, the bottom is sitting here. Come on. Come on. Bottom is sitting here. I really can't go any higher than this. I guess I'm stuck with this freaking shelf being in the way. Let's just drill it and hope it fits. Okay. Alright. That's what we call winging it on the fly. I hope this is level. I'm gonna have to re-drill it myself. See how that looks. I'll take it. It's pretty close. I can probably lower it just a tad, but I'll screw up the hole. So, you know what? We're gonna leave it as is for now. Probably gonna way down further here because this is in the middle of the shelf when it kind of flexes in. So let's do it. Book it. Put this in. All right. All right. Looks good. Looks good to me. Let's do another one. Let's figure out where the next stud is. I think that might be it. And that sucks if that's where the stud is. Come on. The freak. That's kind of far away. And I'll mark it just in case. I don't think the shelf is going to reach though. Let's test it out. Next step is going to be all the crap out of the way. Just to go and figure out where the last one kind of fits into this puzzle. So if we have 1, 2, 3, kind of like this. Yeah, we're just gonna miss the next stud, which stinks. But anyways, such is life. We are now going to probably put one in here and then one in all the way in the middle. So let me mark these. Over here. Another one right here. Okay. There we go. It's gonna be easy again, drilling straight into the drywall. Very simple task at hand here. And right in with my finger. A bit concerning on the rigidity, but you don't have a choice when your studs are 18 inches apart, so. Alright, last one. Good. Now let's say, okay, if that's where it needs to be, grab it. Fix her up like that. Hold it. And a nice little circle mark around where it needs to be. 1, 2, 3, go! Boom! Alright, last one going in right now. What am I doing? Pay attention. Alright. Okay, and they're in. Now, the fun part, we gotta screw these bottom ones in. Shouldn't be too bad with this microphone. You guys pick me up better here. Alright, so, let's check it out. We've got the shelf. Let's put it in. See the fruits of our labor, at least for now. I wanna understand where this thing ends up at. Across the entire platform. Very easy install. Just pull the darn thing in, and you are good to go. Look at that. Not bad at all. Boom. Alright, so next steps. There's a stud right here. So I'm gonna check that again. Yep. I already kind of made the mark, but now it gets even easier. We're gonna say, okay, let's take this and see how it lines up. Depending upon how vertical you want the shelf to be. This thing is gonna sit like this right here. This will brace, if you see here, yeah, like that, and then like that. Very simple. We're just going to drill the thing straight through. So I probably should have brought a clamp or something to at least hold this thing up. I'm going to rig it so it sits through the other shelf. I'm going to go back and get, I have some screws. Alright, we're back. I've actually used this leaf blower to hold up my shelf. Came in handy. So anyways, this will be a much, much, much better solution than I currently have. So let's do this. Got the screw ready. Okay, you want to line it up with the stud here. Come on. Okay, ready? One. Okay, we want to kind of squeeze this in here. And let's do it. I don't use the whatever the hell they supply. They say, oh, take nails. I'm not putting nails in stuff. I'd much rather use a screw. This is easy to back it out in case you say, oh, I'm going to uninstall the shelf. Nails are a pain. How are you going to get the nail through here? Anyways. That's in. Done. Can move this thing for now. So there's your final product. Looks nice. Test this sucker out. I got some softballs put up here. Some more at least secondary storage. There's junk I have lying around my garage. So you saw it here. Shelf, 15 minutes, done. I will give you a list below in my video of all the at least tools and materials I use for this job. But nice and easy. Took not much time at all, and I hope this helped everyone. So thanks again. After video is signing out. Peace.